In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Google Sheets using the hyperlink function. Whether you're working with datasets or simply organizing your information, embedding hyperlinks can streamline your workflow and make your sheets more interactive. Google Sheets offers a straightforward way to accomplish this with the hyperlink function, and I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. Let's begin by opening your Google Sheets document and identifying the cell where you'd like to add your hyperlink. Once you've selected the desired cell, we'll start crafting the hyperlink using the hyperlink function. Begin by typing an equal sign followed by the word hyperlink. Once you've done that, you'll need to open a parenthesis. This is where we'll input the parameters needed for the function to work correctly. The first piece of information required is the URL where you want your hyperlink to point. For this demonstration, I'll be using the URL www.google.com. It's crucial to remember to enclose the URL in quotation marks. This tells Google Sheets that you're specifying a text string, which is necessary for the function to interpret the link properly. After inputting the URL, you'll proceed by typing a comma. The next parameter you'll enter will be the link label. This link label is what users will see displayed in the cell. Think of it as the clickable text or image. While you can get creative and use graphics or other elements, for simplicity, we'll use text in this demonstration. Just like with the URL, you'll need to surround your text string with quotation marks. In this case, I'll enter Google Search as our link label. Once you've inputted both the URL and the link label with quotation marks and separated by a comma, go ahead and close the parenthesis. Your function should now read something like this: EU hyperlink www.google.com Google Search. With everything in place, hit enter and voila! Your hyperlink is now active within the cell using the hyperlink function. Congratulations! You've successfully created a hyperlink in Google Sheets. This technique is highly versatile and can be used for linking to a wide range of web resources directly from your spreadsheet. Remember, practice is key, so feel free to experiment with different URLs and link labels to see how they can best serve your needs. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Be sure to explore more of Google's powerful suite of functions to enhance your productivity and data management skills. Happy hyperlinking, and I'll see you in the next video.